Good morning, everyone. It is 10:30 in the morning. I am at the backyard of the mosque in Kaust. This will be my new project for the workshop in March. My workshop will take place on 18 and 19 of March, evening class. This mosque will be simplified to work for a beginner class. We will eliminate some of the palm trees here, and we will paint it from a perspective a little bit far away from the place I am standing to here, as I am trying to get closer just to avoid the sun and to paint under one of the trees here, the palm trees. And while I'm preparing for this workshop, I will send regularly a couple of videos of each day I'm coming here to paint outdoor. السلام عليكم. اليوم يوم بداية ورشة العمل للمسجد. أنا اليوم جاية أرسم على الطبيعة في الهواء الطبيعي عشان أخذ الإحساس حق الرسم وأشوف الظل والنور، وأقرر من فين أبدأ أرسم والألوان اللي حستخدمها. حسن الحظ الجو حلو والواحد يقدر يرسم على الأقل ساعتين من غير ما يتعرض لضربة شمس. إحنا الآن الساعة 10:30، فيبغالي كل ما أجي أرسم أختار نفس الوقت عشان يكون نفس الظل. الرسمة حتتبسط للمبتدئين وحتكون ألوان بسيطة. عدد الألوان ما حيتعدى 5 ألوان أساسية، وحيكون الرسم بالألوان الزيتية. وخلينا نبدأ. Hello everyone. We will start now the first step in more method painting. I try to do rough lines. First of all, related to the rule of third, I am marking and dividing the canvas to 3 parts. Excuse me for that voice. And I'm starting at the mosque. As you can see, it is 2-point perspective. We're not going to focus about the math or the perspective, second and third. That's need a whole class to explain, but as this will be a beginner class, I'm trying to do simple step rough outlines. So as you can see, at this point, draw this line here. This small dome would be here, and I could make it a little bit higher. I didn't decide yet, but then I have this sideline. It would follow this point of perspective. So I'm taking this here and should all go to one point, and take it to the other side. It's the same. For the straight line, it will be just straight line, and there is a curve here for this gate, as you can see it here. And roughly I am making this door just right here, and this is our horizon line. It should be here, or let me just take it here. It would be nice if this door come longer. But as of we start already putting the points, so let's see how it goes. I will keep this horizon line here, just right here, and we will add a couple of palm trees. Again, we are using two primary colors, which is red and blue. As a beginner, we don't need to add too much colors. Enough, we will use 5 colors in this painting. And if we decided to add one tree here, we go like that. And another one that might stand into there. And the height would not be more than here because it's back a bit. Something like that. And this is step 1, drawing.